Philip is holding 394 shares of HAL bought at 642 a piece and wants to know whether what should be the next course of action for this counter. He's not mentioned whether this is for a longer term perspective or short term perspective. So Vaishali, I'll come to you first on this one. What's the view like for HAL?
My mind very good. Yes, so HAL is doing well, but if he's holding, continue hold with the trailing stop loss. But if he needs to buy, then I think ideally market is now once again getting into whipsaw. So 4,000 would be the good ideal level to get into the stock, because when we are looking at the longer term perspective, I think this can go towards 5,000 levels. So 4,000 as support, continue buying and look for higher targets.
Okay, look for higher targets on HAL. HAL has been doing particularly well since that bottom that it hit in March. Good morning to the both of you as well, Rajesh and Vaishali. Thanks so much for joining us. We've got our next caller, Dheeraj is calling us from Hyderabad, and I believe the question is on Canfin Homes. Dheeraj, very good morning to you. How can we help?
Good morning, sir. My query is regarding Canfin Homes.
Yes.
So I'm holding 100 shares of Canfin Homes at 730 rupees. Today are the company's results actually.
Yes.
For the next 3 months, can I hold this counter? And one more small concern is, sir, I had 42 shares of cement. So this is not a query actually.
Okay.
So the stock got split on April 7th. But the bonus shares did not add to my demat account yet. So what might be the reason, and how could I proceed with it?
So in this case, you would probably have to get in touch with the broker where you have the account, and you'd probably have to ask them to help you out with that. So, but your specific question on Canfin Homes, perhaps we can take up. And since you've got a shorter term view on the stock and only 3 months or so, 730 is your buy price. Vaishali, and come back to you on the technicals. How does it look like right now? And particularly in the context of the financial space that has moved up very substantially, but you're seeing some signs that a cool-off might be on the cards.
Yes, I agree that financials have given a good run up, but purely on technical basis, as far as Canfin Home is concerned, hold with a stop loss of 716 and look for a target of 760, because right now there is still no exhaustion seen on the charts and we don't play results. So purely on technical levels, I would say 715, 716 is the support level. And once we see this stock picking up, this can go towards 760, 770.